today we're gonna play some Catbird. If you're wondering what a hybrid between a cat and a bird could be, here it is. But this series will be a short one because the game's short. And ooh, we have a cutscene. Look at that, they exist. What's happening? Did he die? That would be unfortunate since he's the main character, I think. I also heard that you can dash in the game, but he died again. I kind of expected something bigger. Thanks. Let's go. So yeah, you can glide. Wait, okay, there we go. Just put all the settings what I wanted them to be. So yeah, this tells me how to dash. I already know that. And why the heck did I do that? I'm a fudging stupid person. By the way, this is child appropriate. Fudge is child appropriate, right? Right? Anybody? Well, I guess I'm alone. Oh no, fudge is definitely child. They probably thought I was talking about the bad word, but I wasn't. And this seems easy so far. I have to push these. It's nice. It doesn't seem like I can push the other one since I'm already down over. There's a key over here. And what is that? Why is there milk and why would I die if I hit it? Milk? Serious? Milk. I do not think that's possible. Oh, push bird. Probably have to push this over. Let's go. Oh, it actually worked. I can't believe my idea actually worked. It's usually like different. Hello, spiky friends. Would you like to make friends with me? Here, high five. Well, they want to kill me. Okay, no high fives for you. Oh, it lagged. Run! Run! Like the giant spike ball with a face is coming for you. That works. Try and get me, try and get me. Yeah. I just imagine Mario music playing in the background of this. Look at these cute little dudes in the background. Squash, squash. Are you hiding when I step on you? I think they actually hide when you step on them. It's so cute though. Yeah, but this is what a hybrid between a cat and a bird looks like. It's horrifying. And why are we getting sucked into a black hole? What is this? Well, now we have moving spikes. That isn't good news. Seems easy enough. That jump is... Yuck! Fell down. Whee! And... there we go. So there's a crown in each level. They might be like off to the side, so I'm just gonna jump up. Well, I didn't think it'd be there. That's just a coincidence. How did I survive that? How did I literally survive that? I'm gonna kill. Oh yeah, don't even have to do that jump. I'm a cheater. This one seems hard. Let's go. Isn't even that hard. I bet I'm gonna jinx myself. Yep. Definitely. Whee. I didn't even say I died. Now jinxing doesn't even work anymore. Well, the spike was blocking my way. I'm stupid. Whee! Die, spikes, even though you're invincible. Why are you staring at me? Whatever, let's just move on. And I almost died again. Are we going up here now? Oh, we're going that way. And here's the deadly milk again. It's like, what do they have against milk? I drink it every day. It's offensive. Are you gonna come kill me? Little... There was literally no way. Just... Nope. Not falling for that. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's how we do it. Whee! Now we have to go that whole staircase again. Beautiful. Ugh. Disgusting milk. Better not touch that, otherwise I'll be disgusted to death. Whee! Just gonna go this way now so I don't get murdered by spiky things. Can I go back? Well, that way is locked off. No, I'll have to do the jumps again. I'll just glide down slowly. Whee! I don't even have to do jumps. I'll just screw jumps. Let's go. Now I can be sucked into a vortex. Happy ending. Oh, it's nice. Why do I... More? Almost. And there's the disgusting milk again. What else could it be like that? You know that weird water that tastes weird? Anybody know what I'm talking about? Nobody? Again? By the way, my phone keeps crashing, and it is so annoying. I'm serious. I think I've tried to record this like 3 or 4 times. If I die... Oh, look at that. Now I can just kill myself, right? Because I would like respawn at the checkpoint. Or does that cost me my crown? Well, let's see. Oh, it cost me my crown. No killing, I guess. That's sad. I love murdering myself. Committed suicide. The plummet. That's what this level is called, believe it or not. Wee, wee, wee. Don't kill me, please, evil, angry-faced spikes. Well, anyways, the art style of this game is great, and what do we do here? Oh, so those fall down. It's nice. Wee! Psych! You ain't crushing me anytime soon. Springs. Is that new, or was that in the previous level? Yeah, I have to... There we go. More springs. Don't you love them? Meow. 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 Can I activate them? Oh no! Why? Why you do this to me? Ah! That was all for a crown. Well, anyways, let's get down there. It's nice. Oh shoot. Yeah, that doesn't seem good. I don't know, it just doesn't seem nice. Just don't know. Don't know about that. Now the spikes at least don't have angry faces anymore. I mean, that's the good part. I just watched Thanos Endgame today, so I have that tone stuck in my head. And falling spikes, run. And spiky chargers, run. Well, this is now a horrible game. Not really, but yeah. Okay, there are locks. They all want to kill me. Please don't do that. Now I can get sucked into the vortex. When's the boss gonna come up? Oh no, not the angry spikes again. I don't like disturbing those. There we go. And there we go. That's surprisingly easy. If I would have died there now, at the easiest looking part, that would have been annoying. Is there a crown on each level though? Next level. Yay, I'm a pro at this. Whee. There we go. And we're dead. We're dead. Sorry. No more living. Or maybe we... I wanted to jump on that other platform. This game's so frustrating. I just liked it a second ago, but now, I don't know. Stop trying to crush me. It's not working. Stop trying to grind me. It's not working. Or maybe it is. No! You know, I'm beginning to think that it is working. Yeah, thank you. Long way. That doesn't sound like a good level name. Well, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. And there's nothing that can stop. Na, 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 na. We got half the lyrics of that song. Wee-hee, and I died. I sure died. Is that a word? Ooh, these dudes jump. Have I ever seen these before? I'm getting that crown. Wee. Okay. I can't believe I actually made it out alive. Wee. It's the end of my controls are glitching out again. Hello? The vortex. It's the first boss, guys. It's the Crusher. Fight me. Fight me, bro. Fight me. Wee. Yeah, just try. That was a boss. Seems kind of easy. But yeah, there are 4 bosses in the game, so this should be it for the first episode. That may have been a short episode, but trust me, they'll get longer, because the levels will get harder, and there will be more scenes of me raging. Yay!